Here's how to open a bank account with Barclays. First, choose the type of account you want. You can select a standard Barclays bank account for everyday banking, or a premier current account if you meet the income or investment requirements. Next, choose whether the account will be just for you or a joint account. Then confirm your eligibility by answering a few questions, such as whether you're a UK resident over 18 or an existing Barclays customer. After that, review the documents you'll need, like your ID and address history, and tap Continue. Read and accept the terms and conditions to move on. Now, enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and living situation. You'll also need to provide your nationality, place of birth, and declare whether you're a U.S. citizen. Then add your contact details, employment status, and annual income. Finally, review the agreements and continue to the identity check. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity, usually by uploading your ID and recording a short video. Once that's done, your Barclays account application is complete.